So I did the thing. I watched a guru in a rented Lamborghini tell me dropshipping is passive income, and I believed him. Spoiler, the only thing passive was my income, which passively stayed at zero. Day 1, the guru said, just find a winning product. Turns out cool to me at 2 a.m. is not a market research strategy. Day 3, I launched my store. I threw $50 at ads and waited for the yacht. A single visitor came. They stayed for 4 seconds and left, presumably to go somewhere with better fonts. Here's where I actually learned something. My problem wasn't the product. Okay, it was partly the product, but the real issue was I had no idea if anyone actually wanted this thing. So I finally did real research with JajaSEO. Calm. Revolutionary concept. Sell things people want. The other thing that quietly killed me? People did eventually show up, had a question, got no answer because I was asleep, and left forever. I fixed it with JajaHelper. Calm. An assistant that answers customer questions 24/7. So did I make it? Eventually, yeah, but only after I stopped following advice from people whose entire business model is selling courses about a business they don't run. Do the boring stuff, research demand, answer your customers. Don't marry a product you found at 2 a.m. It's less exciting than a Lamborghini. It also actually works.